Hola clase, espero que todos estén bien. En este video vamos a hablar sobre cosas importantes para el resto del semestre. Les voy a mostrar cómo utilizar el course outline. Okay, so if you look, it is under the section in our Blackboard that says syllabus. I have posted here for everybody the course outline that details a week by week due dates of topics and assignments for our course. Okay, so if you see this first week, we have our orientation videos on Connect and our Learn Smarts that are going to do 8:23, which is a Sunday. So if you notice, you have assignments that are going to be due every Wednesday and every Sunday. Okay, so for the rest of the semester, you will have 2 due dates, Wednesdays and Sundays, until the very end. The class does end on a Wednesday, so that will be our last project. And if you notice here, I have color-coded the different types of activities and exercises that students are going to be completing. And if you notice, it is coordinated with these different categories. So workbook exercises through Connect, you have 2 different types, Learn Smarts and Tareas. Those are worth 45%. For your composiciones, 10%. Los exámenes, right, quizzes and exams, 20% when it's all together. El proyecto cultural, 10%. And the interactive assignments, 15%. Bien. So let's just take a look and see what we have coming up in these next few weeks for our first chapter, which is going to be chapter 7. So we have vocab, culture, and grammar for each chapter. And when we break it down, we have the Learn Smarts and the Tareas, the Learn Smarts, grammar tutorials, and Tareas. And then you'll have first the pre-quiz, and then as well some other activities for the beginning of the course, which is here the intro video and the intro video comments, which I will also be discussing with you guys today. Excelente. So how can you access this material? If you go here to our course content page, I have already connected it with our Connect site. So if you click here on this Learn Smart, which is our first one due, you will see that it takes you directly to the Connect page, to your account in Connect, right? So that is one way that you can access it through that Blackboard site. And you see that it has the Learn Smarts, the Tareas, Learn Smarts, Tareas, and the pre-quiz. So everything here is in order. Bien? So that's one way that you can access it. Once you have clicked on that, it will take you to our Connect page. And this is what it will look like for you. So here are our activities that are due on Connect, and you just click on them and it will take you to those activities, assignments to complete. And if you notice here on the left-hand side, you have a section that says recorded lectures. This is where I'm going to put all of my grammar, culture, vocabulary material to go over. So there's nothing here yet because I'm going to do chapter 7 soon, but go here in this recorded lectures to get specific small mini lectures from me regarding those things for each chapter. You also have here access to the ebook textbook, and it's the book that we use for Spanish 1 and Spanish 2. Okay, so you have a bunch of different chapters because we only use 6 chapters from the book. And we are focused here on Capítulo 7, A Comer. This is our first one. So the textbook itself is broken up into a couple of different, it's broken up into a few different sections. You have the primera parte, which is usually here the vocab, the segunda parte, which is grammar. Okay, so when we go to this grammar section, it has these really great tutorials that are short that I want you guys to also watch as part of your tareas to help you complete the different activities. And they are here embedded in the textbook. Okay, so See, they're very short videos. This one is just 4 minutes long. It discusses direct objects, direct object pronouns, the same ones here, direct objects with people, etc. So you'll have several different ones throughout the grammar sections. You might have 2 or 3 or different ones. It just depends on what the grammar is for that day. I think that those are the only ones for this section. So gramática 18 and then the gramática 19. So this is the next section. It has here the tutorial above, and this one is a 3-minute video. So this is what I want you to, these tutorials, I want you to be watching them in addition to the recorded lectures that I'm going to post about each chapter, okay? So this is the information about what you're going to be doing weekly. It has the due dates here as well, and then you'll have the due dates from our course outline. Bien. Let's go back to Spanish 2. Oh, this is the announcements page. Courses, Spanish 2. Okay, you'll have it in the course content, our course outline under the syllabus, and you can also have it here under course content. Okay, so another thing that I wanted to discuss is the intro video that we have to complete by Wednesday, 8/26. Okay, 8/26, that is here. You'll be completing it here on VoiceThread, and I'm going to show you how to make a VoiceThread here. So here's our class website. You'll go here to add your own, create new VoiceThread, add media, webcam video. It's important that it is a video. So here you see this is the video of me currently speaking. So I'll introduce myself to the course. Hello, my name is Stephanie Brock Gonzalez. I'm originally from Cincinnati, Ohio. I have lived in San Antonio for about 2 years now because my husband is from here, from San Antonio. I have taught Spanish for 10 years and I'm looking forward to the new semester and learning with you guys in this virtual process. So I push here, stop recording. I'm going to save it. The important thing to do next, I'm going to make this comment, which is the title, instructor intro video. I'm going to save that title. And you'll see here that it is processing. What I need to do is share and return to the course, submit or share. If you don't do this step, then your video will not be available and I will not be able to grade it. Okay, so make sure that you're following all those steps when you create the VoiceThread. Bien? Okay, so those are the activities that we have coming up for this week. If you do have any questions or concerns, please reach out to me so I can answer your questions. Hasta luego.